Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python development. Begin by understanding Python's core syntax and basic programming concepts. Focus on variables, data types, and control structures like loops and conditionals. Consistent practice is crucial for building a strong foundation. You'll find many free online resources and tutorials to guide your initial steps. Next, delve into Python's essential data structures, including lists, dictionaries, and tuples. Grasping object-oriented programming will enable you to write more organized and reusable code. For specific career paths, explore relevant libraries. For instance, web developers might focus on Django or Flask, while data scientists will use NumPy and Pandas. Hands-on experience is invaluable. Start building small projects to apply what you've learned, like a simple calculator or a to-do list application. Consider contributing to open-source projects to collaborate with others and see professional codebases. A well-curated portfolio demonstrating your skills and projects is vital for showcasing your abilities to employers. The field of Python development is constantly evolving, so continuous learning is key. Keep up with new Python versions and explore emerging frameworks. Consider specializing in a niche like machine learning, cybersecurity, or web development to deepen your expertise. Networking with other developers and engaging in online communities can also accelerate your growth.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.